Dear viewers, many of you watch our videos but haven't subscribed yet. Our goal is to provide you with valuable information about livestock treatment and modern farm management. We have decided that once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will regularly publish more in-depth videos on livestock diseases, their treatments, and advanced farm management techniques. So, don't wait, subscribe now and share our channel with others. RP191 is a premium breeding bull with 75% Holstein Friesian genetics, ensuring high milk-producing offspring. Born on June 11, 2019, this genetically superior bull weighs 680 kilograms, reflecting its excellent health and robust physique. Farmers seeking higher milk yield and improved breed quality can trust RP191 Semen for artificial insemination. Its Holstein Friesian lineage ensures strong, disease-resistant calves with enhanced productivity. By using RP191, dairy farmers can achieve better herd performance, increased milk production, and improved profitability. Choose RP191 Semen to secure the future of your dairy farm with genetically superior offspring.